Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna jump right in. What you're gonna want to go ahead and do is get an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder, eyebrow gel, whatever you prefer using that kind of matches your eyebrow shade. I ended up going out and buying a brown eyebrow pencil and it did not match my eyebrows. You can't tell in this video, so we're just gonna go with it. Just make sure you get one that matches your eyebrows. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just filling them in because my eyebrows are naturally thick, so I don't have to do too much like a lot of ladies do with their eyebrows. I just fill in the areas that are kind of sparse, you know, that need the extra, you know, shade. Then I do go in with my Fit Me concealer. I think it's in caramel. I do that at the, or on the bottom half of my brows, lower half of my brows. I'll go ahead and carve them out. And normally I'll go in also with the Fit Me concealer in chocolate for the top half if I'm doing something more simple. But because I'm going to be doing it full face, I'm just going to go with my foundation. But that's what you see me doing right now, is just going ahead and carving out my brows, my lower brows with that concealer. Guys, next I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender. I usually go in either with a beauty blender or a brush. Today I'm going in with a beauty blender to go ahead and blend out my brows. Just because I'm not gonna really be doing too much with my eyes or my eyebrows either after this. Now you see me going in with my Colourpop foundation. Now I went in with two of them. I went in with one, I think it's called Caramel. I believe it's called that. And I think the other one is Mocha, or chocolate or mocha. But caramel is a little bit too light for me and chocolate or mocha is a little bit too dark. So I mixed those two. I went in with too much mocha, unfortunately, because it's just a tad bit darker than the rest of me. You can't tell, but me in person looking at it, yes, I could tell that it was just a little bit too dark. So if you're having to do something like that, just make sure that, I don't know, I would start off with a lighter one first, and then I would build up with, if you have to add a darker foundation onto it, if you're mixing your foundations. Normally I don't have to mix them, but I definitely wanted to try this because I did buy those products, and unfortunately I can't use them without using the other. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and kind of test that out. But now you see me going ahead with the brush. Like I said before, I do go ahead and blend with the brush, and then after I will go ahead and blend with a beauty blender. I just think it just makes it a lot more seamless. And if you don't have a lot of blemishes like me or like scarring on your face, I think going in with the beauty blender is really good because it helps pick up some of that excess product. You don't want to have a cakey face. Like, we don't want cake face. That's not what we're trying to achieve. That's not the assessment. We want it to be nice, seamless, airbrush type look. So I like going in with the brush and then also going in with the beauty blender, as you can see me doing now. Okay, so now guys, I'm going in with a dry beauty blender and one that's clearly not clean, as you can see. Don't be like me. Clean your utensils. Clean your utensils every time you use them. But I'm going in with a dry beauty blender, and I'm going ahead and baking my T-zone area. I am very oily. For any oily girls out there or people that are kind of in between but still kind of get oily in that T-zone area, I definitely recommend going ahead and baking, letting it sit on your face. For people that are oily, you really don't have to let the baking powder sit on your face, but for people like me, you definitely want to go ahead and let that sit on your face for a little bit. And as you guys can see, as I turn my face, it is a little bit darker than my neck. So that's what I was saying. Like, it's just a tad bit darker than what I would like. But again, this is trial and error, guys. This is supposed to be fun. This is for beginners. If you're a beginner, do not expect to get it right the first go round. Like, you're not going to do that. Now I'm going ahead and using that same brush to wipe away my baking powder. I'm not applying really much of any setting powder except to my nose, as you guys can see, but I didn't really do anything around under my eyes because I want to keep that that side kind of bright under my eyes, just to kind of give me that highlight type look, that natural highlight type look. And then you go ahead and see me just blending out the rest of my face. Now I'm going in with a blush. I think this blush is also from Fit Me. I want to say it's in cherry, but I could be butchering the name. I'll try to make sure I go ahead and link all the products that I use in my description box. And then I know I use a highlighter. I think it's in Crown or Petal, one of the two. Again, I'll link it in my description box. But I do love that glowy look. Now, I do know there is this one challenge that's on YouTube, the winter or the cold girl makeup look. And I kind of could give this or say that this is kind of like my version of the cold girl look, even though this is like a soft glam for beginners. Like, this is also my version of the cold girl look, because I use a lot of highlight. I use a lot of blush, and you know, with that look, it just kind of looks like you're cold. So yeah, you see me going ahead and applying the highlight and then going in with my Fit Me setting spray. It's in matte, just to kind of help me stay matte. Again, I am an oily girl. And so yeah, and then I'm just going ahead and letting that dry, letting that sink into my skin, melt into my skin. As you guys can see, it looks flawless. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I do go in with my brown lip liner and then a pink mattifying lip, oh, sorry, I missed a step. I go in with this champagne eyeshadow, and then I do go in with mascara and eyeliner, or not eyeliner, but well, yeah, it is kind of like eyeliner on my lower lids. And then I do go in with my brown lip liner and a pink mattifying lipstick, just to kind of finish it off. And that's pretty much my look, guys. Like, I hope this helped, kind of. I hope this helped you guys, especially for beginners. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on in this video. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. Most likely it'll be a hair video. Still on this 30-day challenge of posting every day for 30 days. So just bear with me, guys. And yeah, another reason why I also want to go ahead and make known, one of the reasons why I'm not using lashes is not that I don't want to. I am going to incorporate using more lashes, but it's just that I haven't gotten to the store yet. So I'm using my own right now. So guys, don't think that I'm just going to not use any lashes at all. Like, I love lashes, guys. I just have not gotten to the store yet to get any. But again, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next hair video, guys. Bye.